students.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Okay, students. I'll ask you some questions. Give your answers separately. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
What kind of things are found in nature except human beings?
Animal, tree, birds, etc. are found in nature.
Okay, very good. Where do the birds live?
Bird live on the tree
Yes.
and nest.
Yes. Which bird is very clever and mischievous?
Crow is very clever and mischievous.
Yes. What do we know about the mischievous crow?
I don't know.
Okay. So today we are going to study about the story The Mischievous Crow. Now students, open your books at page 43.
Okay, ma'am.
There stood a big banyan tree in a small village. The travelers passing by sat in the cool shade of the big tree. A kind-hearted person had kept a large pot of water for thirsty travelers. The travelers would drink the cool water and then proceed on their journey. In the thick branches of the tree lived many animals and birds. In the hot sun of the afternoon, the animals rested under the tree. In this tree there also lived crow that was mischievous and rude by his nature. He would sit on the branch of the tree and play pranks with the travelers resting below. Sometimes he would sit on the top of a branch and caw for a long time. Its loud and harsh cawing would disturb the peaceful neighborhood. One afternoon, a lock of swans came and perched and was fast asleep under the banyan tree. But the rays of the sun flittering through the leaves and was falling on his face, whose face traveler's face. One of the swans saw this and spread its wings in such a way that the traveler's face in its shadow, so as to protect him from the furious heat of the tropical sun. Now pronounce these words one by one. What is written?
Dis plus tense.
Yes.
Distance.
Okay. Good. This.
Boast plus ted. Boasted.
Okay. Very good. Here.
Sir plus ter. Shelter.
Okay. Good. Very good. Open your books and read the story one by one. Everyone read?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Close your books now. Tell me what we say when we go from one city to another city. What
We
we call this?
We say traveling.
Yes, traveling. So the meaning of journey is traveling from one city to another. Okay. Now tell me the meaning of journey.
Traveling. One city to another city या one place to another place, ma'am.
Yes, very good. Traveling from
One city to another city.
yes, one city to another. Okay, tell me, when we are very angry, how we behave with others?
We all become very rude and anger.
Yes, we become very rude and angry. That means not polite. So tell me the meaning of rude.
Not polite.
Yes, not polite. Tell me, what is the effect of too much sunshine when we are outside?
It causes harm for us to
Yes,
sunshine.
The sun rays are very harmful for us when they are too much. Okay. So now tell me the meaning of the harm.
Ma'am, physical and mental effect या damage
Yes.
body part.
The meaning of harm is
Physical and mental damage.
mental damage. Copy the blackboard work.
Okay, ma'am.
As you can see in this chart, okay,
Yes, ma'am.
there was mischievous group, okay. What else you observe in this chart?
Ma'am, tree, men are sleeping, crow, swan.
Okay, yes, very good. One afternoon, a flock of swans. Flock means a group.
Okay,
4
ma'am.
or 5 swans were flying and a group of flock of swans came out and perched on the tree. That means they are resting on the tree due to too much sunshine. They come on this banyan tree to rest, and one crow was also sitting on the branch of the banyan tree. And there were few villagers, or you can say that there were few travelers who are moving from their village to another village. They were resting under this banyan tree. While the traveler was resting on the banyan tree, a swan saw that the rays of the sun was falling on the traveler's face, which was disturbing him. So swan thought that when he opens his wings, this protect the traveler's face from reaching to the traveler's face, so that he can quietly take a deep sleep and rest to protect from the and the swan protect his from the sun rays. While the swan do this, the mischievous crow was very clever, could not bear this sight that someone is very polite and kind to this man. He thought of a prank to play with this traveler, and he hovered over the traveler and excreted on his face. Okay. Now tell me, who came one afternoon?
A flock of swan came one afternoon.
Yes, a flock of swan came one afternoon. What did the crow decided to do with the travelers?
The crow decided to play a prank.
Yes, a crow decided to play a prank with the travelers. Now, after when the crow thought of a prank, he played a prank and excreted on the traveler's face. And then traveler woke up. Very angrily he woke up and saw that the swan was opening his wings and he was sitting, because the swan was opening his wings earlier because he wanted to protect his traveler from the sun rays. But the crow did not bear this sight and he flew away and excreted on the traveler's face. But when the crow excreted on this traveler's face, the swan was unaware of the fact on his face. So he took up a stone and threw very harshly on the swan, and swan died due to the crow's bad prank. He take crow due to his act, this bad act. It takes the life of the swan, which was very kind and helpful, which was helping the travelers for his rest. So tell me, how many of you like the story?
Yes, ma'am. All of you are like the story.
Yes, thank you. Now tell me, where was the mischievous crow live?
The mischievous crow lived on a banyan tree.
Okay. What did the crow generally do with the travelers?
He would sit on the branches and play prank.
Yes. Sit down, Esther. What does the swan do to protect the travelers from the sun rays?
The swan spread his large wing on his face.
Okay. What happened with the swan?
Traveler threw a stone on him.
Okay. Very good. Sit down now. Now tell me, true or false? There stood a big mango tree. True or false?
False.
Yes, false. Okay, now next, tell me, the crow was mischievous and rude.
Yes, ma'am. True.
True. Very good. Yes. Now you tell me, the swan protected travelers from heat.
Yes, true.
True. Sit down. Now next, you tell me, we should not cause harm to anyone.
False.
True.
Oh.
We should not cause harm
The
to
not.
anyone.
Yes, ma'am. False.
And so your today's homework is learn question answer from the story.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Have a